Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I hope that this is recording. This is the GoPro Hero 6 I just picked up. I just bought this new bag as well. I got my DSLR camera in here, my nice lens. I got my original GoPro in here as well. I got to put the rest of the stuff in here, but I want to see how the video quality comes out. I ended up buying this case for this GoPro as well, for when I'm just doing small recordings like this. I want to give this a shot though. We'll see how it works out. Currently in my BMW, so this is just more of a test if anything. I have it in 1080 with 240 frames per second, which I think is pretty impressive in my opinion, because this is 1080. I think it's 30 or maybe 60 at most frames per second, and I still think that's pretty good for the stuff that I record. But I don't know what you guys think. Yeah, my old GoPro I was finally able to get working again, but this thing is pretty shot. It's really been used multiple times. Goes up to 960 frames per second. Not 960, oh man. 960 is the resolution, but tell me what you guys think. Alright, Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.